So in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab M7. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Now simply enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your internal storage divided by categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, favorites, save folder and internal storage itself. Then you can go to Share, where you can quickly send and receive files via nearby share function. In the end you can go to Clean to clean junk files from your smartphone. Also you can go to Menu, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.